Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV. So there are more information coming from Nana Agrada ne arrest no. Na onim say ensem bi say no one thing me ye ne say na me the article na ba mo nim na mababa be read atremo because onim say some of the issues are legal issues. And in legal issues like this, no, you don't want to be held liable for defamation or anything else. So all we'll do is that we'll read the article and then we'll issue a disclaimer. So there's an article in front of me right now. Now it's from a very reliable source. okomynewsgh.com. Womo e posti sa article no ewo ho. Now what's your title a womo atra? Womo say Agrada begs Reverend Owusu Bempah for help as she's processed for court. Almost say Agrada wapa Reverend Owusu Bempah chow because the Agrada no court. Now this article no ebetumi abane say asem a womo kan fa na Agrada ho no say wapa Reverend Owusu Bempah chow no ebetumi abane say asem no ntro ebetumi amane nso say asem no nekre. But in the article no, the reason why, and let me tell you the truth, the reason why I'm even reading this article, or I'm about to read this article for you guys, and they say they made some pronouncements in the article. We know. Omoka insembi fa Reverend Obofo ho, Reverend Obofo nankasakra aba abonten aba beka intino. Amana ye say well in the article no, some things we know no our article ni mu, and so generally nkrofo be fi say ebia ade no nekre. But I've told you, we are just reading the article for you. It's a legal issues bi aba we na ya meka nkrofo ka say na Melodies the radio maza obi a wote abrochi yes your Melodies radio na so eba ne say court nsensem ana bibia ne pa ko no say bi ono tini baby o intimesrel ye be ye adwuma ne say ye be read the article no intritremu bia ewo ho no me de be mamo na mewie intino. Let's go straight into it. Now as a popular Ghanaian scammer fetish priestess Nana Agrada, real name Patricia Asiedu, has sent an SOS message to Pastor Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah to intervene in her predicament following her arrest for scamming members of the public on her Tender TV, where she advertised for people in need of money to visit her shrine and patronize her Sikagari gods, which can make them filthy rich. In the very opening paragraph of the article, no, the person trying say Nana Agrada asene you can SOS stress save our soul. Not just say utumi say asemwaba na asemba ne yaka so bi send SOS message address say nipa ko no utumi hu ne say asemwaba nti osre brana beboa no ati ase into the opening paragraph no tre say Nana Agrada say asem na esi no wa send message bi emu odin ama Reverend Owusu Bempah say we dey say Reverend Owusu Bempah mbemu dia ono Nana Agrada no ne dabre ebesesa. Say already mynewsgh.com is informed that Reverend Owusu Bempah has been cautioned to stay off the matter, which has assumed national security status with a wide public interest. This wouldn't be the first time Reverend Owusu Bempah is intervening in a matter involving Nana Agrada, who once donated 10,000 to his church. Now, article no implies say Reverend Owusu Bempah nankasa no ya bona mane am wone no say Nana Agrada asem wi de wo munim say Nana Agrada ne ho ba asem a Reverend Owusu Bempah ho no beba, because I mean we all know how Reverend Owusu Bempah is linked with this particular government and insensem no intino. The article no can say Reverend Owusu Bempah na ye di kan aka tre no say asem we asem bia ma won fa ne ho be shem baako say enye na asem woni ho kwan say wo de ne ho ba be shem nti ye say ye di kan ama ne warning de da. Na article no further said, well, these are some of the matters be American say ye no ye nim. Some of the things are article no can we don't know. To say the article ne ka say Nana Agrada is seeking for help from Reverend Owusu Bempah. That one there we don't know. But the things we know, they say yes indeed Nana Agrada call Reverend Owusu Bempah asori them. Emma woko donate 10,000 cedis. Emma yema Nana Agrada Mike Kramer woto Nyamenjom 1-2 bi. Say it's a video that's going viral. What you say? Into no, the article no mention something like this. For this one, there we know, and so we can say, so okay, for this one, it is true that Nana Agrada went to Reverend Owusu Bempah's church to donate. But also, I was saying, Reverend Owusu Bempah told his godson. So, article no, Babeka, another thing there, and also Nansenya, and Reverend Obofokra Neba Bontin Beka Ekra Nanki Yenim, and this is what the article is saying. But Reverend Owusu Bempah told his godson, Reverend Obofor, to end his beef with the Suotuom scammer Agrada after the two insulted each other some time back. Reverend Owusu Bempah intervened because he has a good relationship with her. Now, as to whether Reverend Obofor is Reverend Owusu Bempah's godson, that one there I don't know, because in fact, Reverend Owusu Bempah Nangasano, Waba Bonti Ababe attacked Reverend Obofor several times. Waba Bonti, Waba TV, so good evening, Ghana, Ababe can say Reverend Obofor no krano, will you see draw into as to whether we're in the godson, there's that relationship, no, that one I don't know. But Reverend Obofor there, from unknown side, no, Embra Reverend Owusu Bempah kwa kan answer ni no. Reverend Obofor no Babontin, ebe ka say o no there, Reverend Owusu Bempah no ye penyi, so no Reverend Obofor no one reply no. But the matter they are saying, no, indeed, Reverend Obofor has come out to confirm. Now, saying Reverend Obofor ni Nana Agrada ntokwa no. Reverend Obofor kan say first time awomunya ntokwa, wono Reverend Obofor ni Nana Agrada no. No Reverend Owusu Bempah no ene frɛ Reverend Obofor no katre Reverend Obofor say woma bibia enka. And so if this article is also speaking on that particular matter, na article no can say yes, embra Reverend Owusu Bempah ne Reverend Obofor ni Nana Agrada asem no Reverend Owusu Bempah be mu a eno ne kre. The first time no Reverend Owusu Bempah ene frɛ Reverend Obofor mani twa so that one we know say it is true. Na senya Reverend Obofor be confirm here. Now, your article no was say this time around he has been warned to stay off. And so they are stressing. Said this time there, ya warn Reverend Owusu Bempah say asem way any kwanse will be. Also meanwhile, police are set to query the Suotuom Police Command over a series of credible reports emerging that showed a partnership between the police there and Nana Agrada, where she scammed people and the police protected her anytime victims file reports. And somewhere last week, me de a year investigation bia obi ekoye me be read it trail mo. Na nipa ko na dia wo kan ne say akwa say Suotuom police ho no ukọ ho na wo ko report Nana Agrada police ho no wo nya ne hwe. Wo nipa ko akwa report ne kra wo di agra wo mpo na sebe waso be ye hye. Into this article is further saying say police for ne sisi ano sa Suotuom police station ho no police command na wo ho no ye koye omo hu hwehwemu ne ye hu ne die ntia Nana Agrada ne de bia na semba ho a police for no entu ho anamon. So this is what the article is saying, and I think that this is very, very interesting, extremely interesting. Also, over the period of time, a lot of people have visited her and had gone home disappointed because she has allegedly scammed them of the little money they had. Now, Nana Agrada no. I've seen say a lot of people, not that before I bet in crown, Nana Ghana for Bebrina, a babontin. But no, I've also noticed something. Say a lot of people are now having the vim. They are now having the vim to come out to speak because I've seen a lot of people now speaking up. Wamudi na no wamu story ne yepe. Say wamu kwasa wamu kwaji sika gari a wamu paper bi na de ne but advert no so a wo ye na ye ni na ye hwe no. Em say advert no oba ya na say wo di sika no ato bag mu ama na so ukọ. But be a story our deba ne say oba no amount paper na waka se kokoda den okoda na we loto no amba na was just say insane bebre wo muni na the same storyline na ukobioma na just say bodyguards no at wepie. So people are now coming out with those particular stories. I say it is believed that also some people who fall into the hands of Nana Agrada fail to report the matter to the police because they fear getting humiliated or too shy to speak up or to speak out. Sorry. Also, one person who has visited Nana Agrada narrated his side of the story on how the self-styled fetish priestess scammed him of 1,000 cedis. Also, according to him, he saw the advert of the priestess, saying all that those interested all those who are interested should do. Hey, Mr. Article no, na brofo no. I say all those who are interested should do. Is just to come along with 1,000 cedis which he gathered and took to her. Okay. I say na gather advert no. I say we need you one for 1,000 cedis ebra. Inti obi nso asem a wo kan no. Obi nso ka ne de just ngrofo bebre na e de omo de. Me say on this particular channel abrantie bi e buy ono nso de ne de betu dwa. But mo tre mo ade comment box ne mo tie for quite interesting. Share your thoughts on this in the comment box. Me da say.